I have some issues with Amazon. I opened two Amazon. I used two Amazon accounts. One was my and another was my husband Amazon account. And the problem that I have got is that they blocked my accounts, my both accounts. They said they sent me an email saying that there was unauthorized payment that we got, and they just blocked my accounts. And then I go to the customer service and I said that this was the payments that I did, and please open my account. And they opened my accounts.
Simran, like, give us an update what's happening with you, yeah?
I have a major sale down. I'll explain you all the situation so then we can talk clearly if you don't mind.
Sure.
For now, I have two eBay accounts with the same ID.
So before you start,
Yeah.
start with the problem that you're having
Okay.
and explain the
Okay.
context. So that way we can focus on the problem.
Okay, I have some issues with Amazon. I opened two Amazon. I used two Amazon accounts. One was my and another was my husband Amazon account. And the problem that I have got is that they blocked my accounts, my both accounts. They said they sent me an email saying that there was unauthorized payment that we got, and they just blocked my accounts. And then I go to the customer service and I said that this was the payments that I did, and please open my account. And they opened my accounts, but the problem that I got is that they canceled all my orders that I got. No, and I got two negative reviews and one nutrient review saying that the item not received, even though I already dispatched the same orders, and I also got some refunds from Amazon side. And the another problem I'm facing is that I also use eBay USA, and I got two sales for now, but I'm unable to do any sales because my Amazon USA account is not working. Like when I did my first order dispatch.
So let's talk one problem at a time. Huh? So regarding the first one, you basically have two negative feedbacks and one neutral feedback, right?
Yeah, how to remove that, and also because my sales are like like finished, like down.
So you're in the UK, right? So there's two parts to it. You said your sales are down, and then secondly, how to remove the feedback. Let's start with the feedback. The way that I remove the feedback for negative is I try to make the buyer happy, right?
Okay.
I'll message the buyer and tell them that, hey, I'm really sorry about whatever happened. I'll give them a nice excuse and then tell them that, and then give them remedies to their problem, right? Would it be okay if I go ahead and send you a replacement? Would it be okay if I give you a refund? Like, what do you need to be happy? And then there's a video that we made on YouTube. So I would say watch that video to see like how we go about like remedying like to remove negative feedbacks on our account, and then kind of follow that strategy, make the buyers happy, and then ask them to revise it. Yeah.
But Sammy, the one negative review that I got saying that not received, and I reordered that order on Amazon. But so I do a request call on Amazon, and then I reopen my account.
Okay, so we'll talk about so right now, are you able to ship out orders?
Yes, I'm doing, but I'm afraid, if they third time block my account.
So first things first, watch that video and then understand how to remedy it. And then it's basically we're rolling out the red carpet for people, right?
Okay.
With good customer service, if you're a human being, if you tell them that, hey, like I'm so and so, I have a small family business, usually people are not gonna be very harsh on you.
Yeah.
So even if you didn't ship out the item, even if you sent them anything, as long as you're a human being, like people are usually very open to like revising it, because you can give them an experience with customer service. Let's say you bought something is very bad, but like let's say you went to the barber, right? You got a haircut and they did a horrible job, but the entire time they were making you laugh and everything. So you can offer a valuable experience by just communicating with the buyer. You can go and call them, you can do whatever. Yeah. So watch that video, provide them value and a good experience, and then they should revise it. Secondly, you mentioned mentioned about your sales are being down, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, let's talk about the Amazon account. How many orders a day are you getting?
3, 4.
You're getting 3, 4 orders, and then right now you're not getting blocked, right?
No.
Okay, so usually you get blocked on Amazon UK when you go ahead and place more than 5 orders per day per account.
Okay.
So you want to maximize the orders per Amazon account to a maximum of 5. When you were getting blocked, how many orders a day were you pushing?
I did sometimes 7 and 8 orders a day. So
There we go. So spread out the orders, and then you should be okay for that, yeah?
and also because sometimes maybe my orders are quite expensive, like 78, 45 pounds. Maybe even this reason I'm getting blocked.
Yeah, if you're getting like a huge order volume, like price wise, then
Yeah.
maybe do a little less. And like the way that I do it is I don't place the orders all at the same time exactly. Like place one on the first account, then go on the second account, then go back to the first and the second. So you have a little bit of time in between the orders.
Okay. Because I usually do in one time all the orders at the evening, so maybe it was the reason.
It's not okay. It's okay to do it all at the same time, but you have 2 Amazon accounts. So
Yeah.
go back and forth between them. Because I'm assuming when you had the 7, you did like 7 in like 2 minutes. So you want to do 7 in like maybe 3 like 7 minutes, but circle between the 2 accounts.